Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It's morning, it's Monday. I already dropped Olivia to school. Now it's my time to go sit and enjoy my breakfast. Take me with you. I just done brushing my teeth and washing my face because I have to look cute for the day. And for the video purpose, I'll just put my little eyebrow, whatever it is called, so that the video will look cute, right? Yeah, why not? So I'll just, because the video has to pop, you know. I'm still enjoying my breakfast. It's good. And the TV on. 1, 2, 2. Oh, I switched it off. I thought I was switching it on.
Bonnie Crombie?
Oh no.
Oh.
No volume. No copyright, please. This toast has peanut butter in it. It's so good. So good. Delicious. I'm a giant cup of tea. It's everything. So guys, I'm making Olivia's bed here. She went to school, and these are pajamas. Cute little pajamas. She like a little pajama. It's, what is it? It's I think it's Elsa and whoever, I don't know who that is. So I like Fonda pajamas. I like her smell. She smells so good. She is a cute pie. Oh my goodness. And these are the bottoms. Yeah, she has this kind. And then she has a favorite toy. So I'll just put her to bed, because she doesn't do it in the morning. She don't want to do it. She says, why should I do it? I'm your only child, so you should do it. I'm still trying to learn to teach her how to do things by herself, even though it's taking time. But anyway, one time it will come when it's time. I hope this dress is behaving. I hope I'm not sure. And welcome to Olivia's messy closet. So I have to arrange this now, because oh my goodness, that's a lot of things for me to do. Oh, I arranged this closet the other day. Now it's a mess again. Jeez, this kid. I have to do this all the time. She needs to start doing these things sometime. This is something else. Anyway, guys, I hope everybody is doing well. Today it's my day off, but it seems like it's not my day off because I never sit down. I'm always doing something. Always doing something. But anyway, I'm grateful. I can't complain. Yeah? I can't complain. That's what keeps us going, right? Yes. Yeah, so today, take along with me. I'll do a lot of things, and later I have a meeting at their school, so I'll be going there, and Olivia is participating in something. Why is the hair looking so good this morning? Seriously. I didn't even take shower yet, but I look cute already. Oh my goodness, thank you, Lord. Oh my goodness, I love this. I think this one is dirty and it's in the closet, seriously. But anyway, I'll fold it because I can't take it right now. I don't want to do nothing. No laundry today. Today, it's not laundry day. So I'll sort them out when it's time. For now, I'll leave them the way they are. Okay. But this house needs cleaning too. But these ones are dirty. I'll just put in the washing machine. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's another story for another day. No, I can't take this anymore. So, guys, I have to go and do something else. Okay. So, maybe now I'll just do a little bit of cleaning over here too. Lazy me. after I did doing Olivia's room touch-up, I came here and I got something on the TV, something nice. So I just have to watch for a few minutes anyway as I relax, okay? Because this... Okay, so I have to make our bed too. Yeah, guys, I can't take you to my bedroom. I have to make my bed. Yes, I know. Yes. I have to make it. But this is... oh my gosh. That's how I got. The bed is so high. I have to run in it. And the bed is all made. Okay? Okay? Okay, now it's time to do the dishes. Time to do the dishes. Let's do the dishes. Little bit of the dishes. Yes, dishes time, dishes time, dishes time, dishes time, dishes time. So, let's finish doing these dishes. I do dishes as I drink water. The place is a mess. I have to clean a lot today. I have a lot to do. Time to dry some dishes. I'm doing everything as much as I can. My favorite cute accessory in this house. Oh, it matches my dress. I know. Okay, done. Hi, are you still there? Okay. Today is busy day. Cleaning up because I was working this weekend, so I had a busy day. So now today it's my day to clean up. That's why I have to clean up, and more clean up. Everywhere it's clean. Everything is a mess. Okay? But so far, so good. But I have so much energy because I had 2 slices of peanut butter sandwiches. Okay? So I think I'm doing great. So that's good for now. That's done. And I think I have to go take shower soon because hello, it's time to clean up. Time to clean up. You have to clean. Let's clean up this house. Let's have to clean. I tell you today, hey, I guess I'll be paid overtime. Yeah, I tell you. Today, this housewife need to be paid overtime. Yeah, girl. It's always full of crumbs. Because this little kid, this is a study table, and she likes to keep on eating snacks over here all the time. Snacks. And